Hello and welcome to a new video. I will show you how to make a very simple touch activated on-off switch. Here's the circuit, very simple. You only need a MOSFET transistor to build the circuit. Here is the load that we want to turn on. It can be a lamp, a motor, or any other device that works on DC. In order for the load to turn on, we need the current to flow from the positive of the battery or power supply through the load and through the MOSFET from drain to source and then back to negative. However, normally the MOSFET is off, so the current cannot pass from drain to source. In order for the MOSFET to turn on, we need to apply a voltage to the gate. And this is done when we place a finger between these two terminals. You know that your skin has some resistance, so the current can flow from here through your finger and to the gate, turning on the MOSFET and in turn turning on your load. Now, in order to turn off your load, you place your finger again between these two terminals. And when you do this, you are pulling your gate down to 0 volts. You are grounding your gate, and that makes the MOSFET to stop conducting the current. And then your load turns off. In my circuit, I used a IRF C44 MOSFET, but you can use any power MOSFET that you have around. An N-channel MOSFET will do the job. And for the terminals, I am using copper tape, but you can also place the bare wires one next to another. And my load is a lamp, a 6-volt lamp. So let's see the circuit working. Why do we need a MOSFET and not a normal transistor? A normal transistor can also be turned on when we apply a current to the base. However, the current needed by a transistor is very high, and the resistance of your skin is high, so when you place your finger, the current that will flow to the base of the transistor will be a very low current, not enough to turn it fully on. The MOSFET, on the other hand, only needs voltage at its gate to turn on. So, when you place your finger, a very little current flows to the gate, but it's enough to turn the MOSFET on. I hope you liked the video and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.